afternoon, this is Zach at Auto Assets, and today I've got a bit of a treat for you. This car we named Big Bird. This was a Porsche training car that was purchased by BGB Motorsports and tuned to make 500 horsepower. Rear suspension was upgraded with GT2 Racing suspension. It's got a cage. And this paint is a racing yellow. Eight and a half by 20 wheels in the front and 11.5 in the rear. We do have the factory spoiler for this car, as well as a set of forge line wheels and race seats. You'll see here on the rear quarters, it is a track car, so it does have some minor scuffs and residual rubber left over from track days. I wouldn't say this is a bare bones car, but it does not have PDCC. It does have 18-way adaptive sport seats, and obviously your sport chrono, and a 7-speed PDK transmission. Alright folks, if you have any questions, give us a call, 614-793-1050.